What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Math Made Easy, and today I am going to be talking to you about complementary and supplementary angles. This was requested by some people I know, and I just think that they're hard, but they don't need to be hard. It's one of those things. Definitely, for this video, you will need to understand the concepts in my solving basic algebraic equations video. Watch the whole thing of that. Link in the description below if you haven't already watched that. If you haven't already subbed to my channel, do that. So, let's get started. I apologize if my microphone quality is absolute trash because I don't have my headphones today. But that's okay. Let's get into it. So, first off, this is a complementary angle. What does it mean to be complementary? It means that the measure of x plus the measure of y equals 90 degrees. So 45 and 45 are complementary. 60 and 30 are also complementary. 14 and 76 are complementary. You know, anything that adds up to 90 now. Supplementary are like the twin of complementary, really, because they're just 180. Now, that's great. So, examples of supplementary angles would be 90 and 90, 60 and 120, 30 and 150, 75, 105. This kind of looks like a 75, 105 here. And then the types of angles have acute angles, which just means that it's less than straight, so like less than straight up, which is a right angle. So a right angle is straight up like this. If this little arc encompasses an area, like encompasses a distance that is less than going like up to straight up, it's acute. If it's like beyond straight up, then that's obtuse. And if it's just no angle at all, it's a straight angle, right? Straight angle is 180. This is between 90 and 180. This is 90, and this is between 0 and 90. So those are really the angles that people will ask me to go over. So acute angle is, you know, you've heard this before from your math teacher, but it's a cute little angle, you know. A right angle is a nice little right square, you know, kind of made in there, or rectangle. Obtuse angle, obtuse is obese, okay? The angle is very obese, it's big. Straight angle, just a straight line, guys. And you won't encounter that much, but I just thought that a lot of people would want me to go over that. Okay. So, we have this question, right? Angle is 64 degrees less than its complement. What is the angle? Now, if you watched my video on algebra, you would have a breeze with this, hopefully. Because I'm just going to notice that if it's 64 degrees less than its complement, we have one of them is x plus 64. That's its complement. And then the angle is just x. So we have 2x plus 64 equals 90, right? Because all complements add to 90. Is this not brilliant? So you gotta just, guys, when you are in doubt, just set up an algebraic equation, see if that solves anything. So now we have 2x plus 64 equals 90. Subtract 64 for both sides. 90 minus 64 is going to give us 2x equals 26. And then when we divide both sides by 2, right, because you know that that's what we're going to do from my other video, we're going to have x equals 13. what a thing this is. X equals 13, and we're going to reread the question. An angle is 64 degrees less than its complement. What is the angle? This is the lesser of the two. So this is going to work, right? This is the answer. 13 is the answer. We're going to just check if it's 13 and its complement is going to be 77, right? And it is, 13 is indeed 64 less than 77. You gotta love that, guys. You gotta love it. Now we have an angle is 8 times its supplement. What is the angle? So we have angle X, and then we have the other angle, which is 1/8 of X. But you know what? Because I don't like fractions. It's good to avoid fractions when you can. I'm just gonna make it 8x is this angle, and then its supplement is x. And we know supplements add up to 180, right? So we're going to add 8x and x because those are the two angles. They're supplementary. And we have now 9x equals 180. Everybody understand that, right? Because those are the two angles, 8x and x. So then we just divide this by 9. And then we have x equals 20. And we're tempted to just write 20 as our answer, but no, that is its supplement, right? Because remember, the angle we're looking for is 8x, so we just multiply 20 times 8, we get 160. What a beautiful thing this is. What a beautiful thing math can be. I feel like math is underrated sometimes. You can call me a nerd, but math is underrated, guys. It is so underrated. I mean, some parts of math. I get, you know. I remember when I took Algebra 1, it was so boring. Okay. That was the course, man, where I just wanted to give up. But anyways. So here we have x equals 20 is our x, so then 160 is our big answer. 160 is the angle. That was even easier than the first one, I think. So now we have a last little question here. An angle is 24 less than twice its complement. Okay, this is hard. So let's look at this. So an angle, x, up, is 24 less than twice its complement. So that means the x plus 2x minus 24, right? Because if it's 24 less than twice, 2x minus 24. This is kind of the challenge question at the end of the video. Now I would like you to try to solve the algebra, pause the video, and then I'll go over it with you. Okay, so we have this equal 90, right? So now we're going to add these together. We're going to get 3x minus 24 equals 90. So add 24 to both sides, we get 3x equals 114. And then we divide both sides by 3. And you can do the long division here. Some people want me to make a video on long division. Do you guys want that, or do you guys is okay with that? Like not being a thing. But I'll do it if you guys want. So we have x equals 38. And we attempted to write this as the answer, but again, like the last question, we got to read the question again. So the angle is 24 less than twice its complement. What is its complement? We're looking for the complement. So we just take 90 and subtract 38. So then that would end up being 52. So 52 degrees is its complement. Now, I hope hope that you take away a few points from this video. The first being, some things that are more geometrically oriented, like angles and stuff, can still be solved by algebra. By simple algebra, in fact. This isn't even complicated algebra. This is basic algebra. Second thing is, you don't always have to assign x to be what you want to be. This time, I assigned what we want to find to be 8x, right? Because that would give us an even x down here, right? Here I assigned not x to be the complement, but x to be the angle that we're talking about in this. Make x what is convenient, even if you have to go a little bit of an extra length at the end of the problem to solve it. So yeah, so that's a wrap. I hope you enjoy that very much. And I hope that you've really walked away from this video with a couple of really good kind of insights. So, I am Kirk from Math Made Easy, and have a really nice day.